fighting men and women and the military families who love them embody what's best in America. And we have purpose that makes our servicemen and women the finest fighting force on earth, that make the United States military the best the world has ever known, and that make all of us proud to be Americans. On Friday, I met with FBI Director Mueller, Defense Secretary. On Tuesday, I traveled there to join with the Fort Hood community, the Army, and friends and family of the victims to honor 13 of our fellow Americans who died, and the dozens more who were wounded, not on some distant shore, but on a military base here at home.
Your family can still help by donating or volunteering at organizations that support military families.
You can also reach out directly to our forces around the world. We're called to honor them by doing our part for the loved ones our fallen heroes have left behind and looking after our military families. Last weekend, on the 4th of July, Michelle and I welcomed some of our extraordinary military men and women and their families to the White House. And train Iraqi forces, partner with Iraqis in counterterrorism missions, and protect our civilians in military efforts. But the bottom line is this: the war is ending.
And here at home, the First Lady and my wife Jill have made supporting military families a priority.
That's why it's supported by every living Republican Secretary of State, by our NATO allies, and the leadership of the United States military.
You'll see that you don't need to be an expert in military life to give back to those who give so much to us.
As Commander-in-Chief, I face no greater decision than sending our military men and women into harm's way. We've boosted community and faith-based groups focused on fatherhood, partnered with businesses to offer opportunities for fathers to spend time with their kids at a bowling alley or a ballpark, and worked with military chaplains to help deployed dads connect with their children. And we'll pay tribute to our troops and military families and all those who have served over the past 10 years to keep us safe and strong. And we're giving thanks to all who serve on our behalf, especially our troops and military families, our extraordinary 9/11 generation. Many of our military families will be welcoming loved ones home for the holidays. See, there's a reason our military is the most respected institution in America. For many military families, the best gift this year is a simple one: welcoming a loved one back for the holidays. And we also have to pay for investments that will help our economy grow and keep our country safe. Education, research and technology, a strong military, and retirement programs like Medicare and Social Security. And we'd have all the resources we needed to invest in things like schools and roads and a strong military and new sources of energy. Investments that have always bolstered our economy and strengthened the middle class.